20 Daily Affirmations for Kids. I am loved and cherished. I am brave and strong. I can do hard things. I am kind to myself and others. I am proud of who I am. I am a good friend. I believe in myself. I am unique and special. I am learning and growing every day. I am safe and cared for. I can make good choices. I am helpful and caring. I am creative and imaginative. I am patient and calm. I am grateful for what I have. I am respectful to others. I am responsible and dependable. I am full of joy and happiness. I am important and my feelings matter. I am becoming the best version of myself. Say these to yourself every morning or every night before bed to grow into the best version of you. See ya next time, geniuses.